Do you know you can start making up to 6 figures from the comfort of your home by working as a virtual assistant? In this video, I'll be taking you through how to launch and grow a successful virtual assistant business, earning up to 6 figures weekly from the comfort of your home. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. And if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials on how to make money either online and offline. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if any of this resonates with you, please go ahead and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button to join the team today. What if you could be available for your family and children whenever you need to? What if you could gain flexibility and control over your time by making extra money from the comfort of your home? What if you could stop worrying about money and start bringing extra income to your household? What if you could say goodbye to a stressful 9-to-5 job and start earning some cool cash from the comfort of your home? If you desire any of these options, do you know you can start making up to 6 figures from the comfort of your home by working as a virtual assistant? So if this interests you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So who is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is an individual who works remotely or virtually to provide support services to personnel or to people and businesses in achieving their goals. There are different services you can render as a virtual assistant. Some of these services include data entry, customer support service, bookkeeping, graphic designing, video editing, social media management, proofreading and editing, online marketing, researching, administrative tasks, arranging travel, sending and responding to emails, drafting and sending press release, and so on and so forth. The first step is number 1, take training courses. Virtual assistants do not require a formal education. Yes, they do not require a formal education, but it will benefit you to register for training courses to help build your organizational skills or learn specific tools needed. So there are different courses you can take online on how to become a virtual assistant. I'll be mentioning 2, 3 and also give my recommendation. The first platform where you can take training courses on how to become a virtual assistant, the first one is Expertnear. I have recommended this particular training to people and the feedback so far has been mind-blowing. You'll be taught everything you need to know about how to become a virtual assistant, how to be paid per hour, how to get clients from tier 1 countries such as Canada, USA, UK and other developed countries. You also have access to a support group or a community which will help build your capacity as you go along. The link to register for this course will be in my description box and also in the comment section. So if you're interested in taking a course on how to become a virtual assistant with no experience, you can go ahead and click the link in my description box. Another platform where you can take the virtual assistant course is on Coursera, Udemy or ALX Africa. You can check this site I've mentioned and pick the one you wish to go for. The second step is choose or design the skills or services you want to render. We know that there are different services you can render as a virtual assistant, and it makes sense or it will be very good to have a niche, to have a particular niche or set of services you'll be rendering as a virtual assistant. Like I mentioned earlier, there are varieties of services you can render as a virtual assistant, and whatever niche you choose to render, there is always a market for it. Yes, there is always a market for whatever skills or services you choose to render as a virtual assistant. As a starter, you can render different services just to test the waters and see what you like to build on. Then you later narrow a target audience and focus on what you are best or good at. The third step is get the tools you need to work with. There are some basic tools you need to get as a virtual assistant. Some basic tools you need to get, such as a phone, a working phone, internet connection, laptop, working email, hands-free, and a noiseless and conducive setup as a workstation. If you do not have the capacity to get a workstation or rent an office, you can create a small place, a dedicated place in your room, like just a small setup in your room where you will be working. The fourth step is to figure out the rate you want to charge. After you must have chosen the services you want to render as a virtual assistant, you need to figure out how much or your rate, the rate you'll be charging for each services you provide. Also note that your experience plays a major factor in setting rate as a virtual assistant. From experience, most virtual assistants charge from $15 per hour. The fifth step is to create an online presence. Building an online presence is very important as a virtual assistant, as some companies might want to see social proof or learn more about what you do online. If you have not provided support services for brands or companies before, you can create something little for yourself or for your friends and family free of charge, just to have a work experience to point to. You can add that to your portfolio as one of your experiences, because most companies are interested in your previous work experience. Also volunteer to work for free for a certain period of time just to build your portfolio. The sixth step is to legally protect your business. It is very important to have a lawyer draft a short contract for your business. You can also browse online for free terms templates. The short contract should include the following. Number 1, your work overview. Number 2, your payment terms. Number 3, your non-disclosure agreement. 4, termination notice. 5, independent contractor agreement. Number 6, non-solicitation clause and etc. You can check online for a free template you can use in creating one for yourself. The purpose of this contract is to save you from headaches and also protect your business legally. And the 7th step is to start applying for jobs or work with an agency. At this point, you need to start marketing your business on different social media platforms. Platforms such as Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, sending cold emails to brands and companies. Then you can also ask people in your network. Yes, you need to market your business aggressively. You can also create sales pages and online adverts to draw more potential customers or clients. The business of virtual assistant will forever continue to blossom. It is very possible to start earning something tangible from the comfort of your home. I am speaking from experience here. Yes, I have people around me who are doing this and they are making great money for themselves. From the 7 steps I laid out, it is very easy to start a virtual assistant business. Just follow those 7 steps one after the other and you'll get to your destination. And also do not forget to register for any of the courses I mentioned. The link to those courses will be in the comment section. So I have a request. If there's anyone watching this video and you have an experience, you've worked as a virtual assistant, or you're currently working as one, please share your experience with us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because this channel itself is an institution. Yes, go ahead to join the team today by smashing that subscribe button. Also, do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have anything you want me to talk about, any video idea you want me to talk about or suggestions, please drop them for me in the comment section. I'll sure work on them and create something meaningful for you. My goal in 2023 is to raise more people who are financially independent on this channel by pushing out or by creating valuable content on how to make money either online or offline. So stay tuned to learn more from this channel. Till I come your way next time, catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Peace out.
you